Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Leather Repair Kit Black is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone who owns leather goods, from shoes and bags to furniture and car interiors. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using a high-quality leather repair kit, ensuring your beloved leather items look their best for years to come, and we will show you how to repair minor scratches, scuffs, and color fading, restoring your leather goods to their former glory. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking worn and faded? This balm easily repairs scratches and revitalizes color, giving it a brand new look. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and dull patches. It's the perfect solution for restoring your leather couches and car seats to their former glory. It's a premium leather color restorer that not only repairs damage but also protects against future wear and tear, extending the life of your leather goods. This easy-to-use balm is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It delivers a vibrant, polished finish with minimal effort. It has been rigorously tested and approved by the Good Housekeeping Institute, giving you the confidence that you're using a high-quality product. We're so confident in this product that we offer a money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. This leather repair balm has received the Good Housekeeping seal and comes with a money-back guarantee, so you can trust its quality. It effectively restores scratched and faded leather, giving it a vibrant finish. If you're looking for a reliable and trustworthy solution to revitalize your leather furniture, this is the one for you. What people say. The cleaner especially is my go-to for a deep penetrating clean. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter, it applies nice and smooth. It is designed to clean, condition and restore areas that have lost color over the years due to wear, sun, etc. Number 4. COCONIX Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather furniture showing its age? Scratches, tears, and holes don't have to be permanent. This kit makes repairs easy and effective. This isn't your grandma's leather repair kit. It's simple to apply, and the results are stunning. You'll see a dramatic improvement. From car seats to couches, this kit tackles a variety of leather and vinyl surfaces. It's versatile and ready for any repair job. It seamlessly blends with black and gray shades, ensuring a perfect match for your furniture. Say goodbye to noticeable repairs. Don't replace your favorite items. Bring new life to your leather and vinyl pieces with this professional-grade repair kit. Save money and time. What we like. This liquid leather repair kit is super easy to use, with clear instructions. It's incredibly versatile, matching various shades of black and gray to repair tears, holes, scratches, and more. If you need a simple yet effective solution for multiple leather and vinyl items, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Worked great. Had a cracked area in my driver's seat side cushion from normal wear and tear of getting in and out of my vehicle. This stuff was easy to mix and apply. I just lightly sanded and removed any loose, flaking material and spread this on. I did do several thin coats letting it dry in between each coat. It provides a flexible cover so it shouldn't crack again with continued wear and tear on the area. This product restored my recliner, which was worn out from many years of use, back to life. I was surprised on how easy it was to use the product. I really am impressed with the quality of the product. Very easy to work with, excellent communication, you can match colors, and if you are creative with some of the original texture you can use a swatch of similar material, some saran wrap so it doesn't stick, press it in, remove and let dry. Number 3. Cindy's Tape Leather Repair Kit. It's made from high-grade leather, meeting EU environmental standards. It's safe, durable and perfect for your home repairs. No heat, ironing, tools, or sewing is needed. Just peel and stick it for a quick and easy fix. It easily covers rips, holes, burns, scratches, and stains on leather, vinyl, and more. It's great for furniture and other items. Simply cut it to size and apply it to a clean surface. It's self-adhesive and incredibly strong. Use it on sofas, car seats, handbags, and more. Bring your favorite items back to life. Each kit includes one 60-inch roll. We offer 24/7 customer support to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This self-adhesive leather repair tape is incredibly easy to apply, no tools or waiting time is required. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from furniture to handbags. If you prefer a quick and convenient fix for minor leather damage, this tape is your best bet. What people say. Cindy's tape leather repair patch kit was a lifesaver for my old office chair. The self-adhesive backing made it super easy to apply, and the black color blended seamlessly with the leather. It sticks well and covered up the worn-out spots perfectly, giving the chair a refreshed look. It is flexible and durable, so it doesn't peel or crack. I purchased this product to repair a couple of small holes in my ATV seat, and to my surprise it was extremely sticky and did an excellent job. The fabric is pliable and easy to work with. The patches have stayed in place and is not affected by the rain and sun. The product did what it was supposed to do. Perfect match in color and material. Very pleased. Number 2. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. It comes in 16 colors, so you can restore faded leather, recolor worn and cracked leather, or even change the color completely. It's incredibly versatile. This paint penetrates leather fibers for full coverage without changing the texture. It also helps protect your leather from future discoloration. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries in minutes, but for best results, let it cure for 24 hours. It's a unique formula that acts as both color and finish. It seals itself as it dries, so you don't need an extra sealant. Use it to fix color damage on sofas, cars, clothing, handbags, really, any leather item. It's a great all-purpose solution. With this kit, repairing your leather is simple and fast. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and tears. What we like. This 2-in-1 leather repair paint comes in 16 colors and seals as it dries, preventing future damage. It dries flexibly, maintaining the original texture of your leather. If you need a versatile solution with multiple color options and long-lasting protection, this is the ideal choice. Number 1. Black Leather Repair Kit. Is your leather furniture or car interior showing its age? This kit helps restore its beauty and functionality. It's easy to use and provides professional-looking results. Repairing scratches and cracks on leather has never been simpler. This kit makes quick work of even the most stubborn damage, saving you time and money. From couches and chairs to car seats and purses, it's the perfect solution for all your leather repair needs. It works on various leather types and colors. Achieve a flawless finish with its fast-drying gel. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users, ensuring professional-looking repairs every time. Keep your leather goods looking their best with this convenient kit. It's your go-to solution for quick and reliable leather maintenance, extending the life of your favorite items. Everything you need is included for durable repairs. This all-inclusive kit provides a complete solution for all your leather repair needs, from start to finish. What we like. This all-inclusive black leather repair kit is quick and easy to use, delivering professional results. It's perfect for various leather goods, from furniture to car seats. If you want a comprehensive and user-friendly kit for effective leather repair, this is the one for you. What people say. It's much easier to use on black objects because the color match is so much easier than other colors. The included small plastic spatula was easy to use to spread out the repair material per the included instructions. Once it dried, the repair liquid dries to feel just like the original seat fabric faux leather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.